In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the code block in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to add custom functionality, embed external content, or simply enhance your website with a personalized touch, learning how to use the code block feature is an essential skill for Squarespace users. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to embed content like YouTube videos seamlessly into your site. Let's get started. First, head over to your Squarespace website dashboard and log in. This is where all the magic starts. Your dashboard is your control center for managing and editing your website. Once you're in, look for and click the Edit Site button. This will open up the Squarespace website builder, giving you access to the tools you'll need to make changes to your site. Next up, we're going to create a new section on your page. To do this, find and click the Add Section option. Adding a new section is important because it gives you a fresh area to work with. Think of it as creating a blank canvas where you can insert new content, like a code block. Now, depending on your design preferences, you can choose to add this section above, below, or even between existing content on the page. Once you've decided where the new section will go, a menu will appear. From here, select the blank section option. Choosing a blank section ensures you have a clean and uncluttered space to work with, but keep in mind that you can technically add a code block to any section type if you prefer. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the blank section for simplicity. In the new section, you'll see an option to add content. Either click the plus icon or look for the Add Block prompt. A menu of block options will appear, so go ahead and scroll through until you find the code block. Select that, and you're ready to start adding custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. The code block is a flexible tool. It allows you to include external functionality or design elements that are beyond Squarespace's built-in features. Now that your code block is ready, let's grab the YouTube video you want to embed. Open YouTube in a new tab and search for the video you'd like to feature on your site. Once you've found it, look for the Share button located just below the video. Click on it, and you'll see several sharing options. From these, select Embed. A pop-up window will appear containing the HTML embed code for the video. Copy this code, it's what you'll need to paste into your Squarespace code block. Switch back to your Squarespace builder and click into the code block you just added. Now paste the YouTube embed code directly into the block. Be sure to paste it cleanly. Sometimes, depending on your browser, extra formatting might sneak in and cause issues. If you notice anything unusual, double-check the code and remove any unnecessary elements. Once you've pasted the code, it's time to save your work. Click the Save or Publish button, depending on your version of Squarespace. This will make the changes live on your site, and you should see your embedded YouTube video displayed exactly as intended. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully added a YouTube video to your site using the code block feature. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the code block in Squarespace to embed a YouTube video. This method is not only simple but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to enhance your website with custom content. If you have any questions or want to share how you've used this feature, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.